Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be taking this 1965 Yamaha Trailmaster on its maiden voyage. It's about a 3-mile trip to my shop. Hopefully this thing makes it. Enjoy the video. Ah! Well, she made it all the way here. It was ripping pretty good. Look at all that buildup. I need to wash this thing up. It's been sitting for over 35 years, since the late 80s. It's amazing this thing even runs. So I did a video where I did a beer can repair on the exhaust. I think I should have used like a Coors or something instead of a PBR, because it kind of blew right through. Now I'm gonna weld that thing up and get it fixed right. Basically, I have a bunch of work to do to this thing. I'm gonna fix the wiring and get this taillight to work. Loosen up all these gauges, switches. All these switches are just frozen solid. The horn, the kill switch, and the headlights and all that. This bike has a little over 10,000 miles, so it's not too much, but it was definitely ridden quite a bit. The tires look okay, but if you really look at them, they're all cracked, so it definitely needs tires. Maybe a little scrub down too. And that was a blast driving that thing down the road. I got it up to about 40 miles an hour. It was hard to tell on video, but that thing was kind of shimmying around with those old tires. So you guys are gonna have to come back again and watch me fix this thing up the rest of the way. I'm gonna fix that exhaust pipe, put some new tires on it, and just clean that thing up. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.